Right then, here we have it, a 1968 Dodge Charger, and good grief, just look at it, painted in Sublime, which is a very good name because that's exactly what it is. Bright, bold, impossible to ignore, and absolutely gorgeous. Now, this isn't some tired old classic that's been sat in a barn for 40 years. Oh no, this was imported all the way back from Illinois, back in 2015, cost 20 grand plus shipping, plus tax, and it was 23,000. And then, just last June, they ripped the whole thing apart and rebuilt every single bit. Under the bonnet sits a 440 cubic inch V8. That's 7.2 litres. And it doesn't just have 375 horsepower like it did when it left the factory. Oh no. After work by Dave Bilodeau and John Stelf's Rolling Road, this thing now pumps out 501 brake horsepower and a monstrous 539 foot-pounds of torque. That's more power than two modern family cars put together. And it's got all of the good stuff too. Edelbrock heads, forged pistons, steel conrods, and a Holley 750 carb, ceramic coated heads and 3-inch exhaust. So not only is it fast, it sounds like thunder rolling down the road, proper deep angry American noise, music to my ears. Gearbox is a heavy duty Torqueflite automatic, rebuilt of course, with a proper shift kit and a race converter. The back end, a Suregrip limited slip diff, massive NASCAR wheels, heavy duty springs, and get this, no power steering, no power brakes. None of this namby-pamby modern rubbish. You want it to turn, you use your muscles. You want it to stop, you stand on the pedal like you're trying to push the planet into a different orbit. And that is how a proper car should be. Back in 1968, you could buy one of these for $3,000. The RT model was $3,575. They made nearly 100,000 of them in that year, and only 17,000 was the top spec 440s. And the legendary 426 Hemi, that was an extra $605, which in those days was a fortune. But the best bit, every single part you could ever possibly need is still readily available from America. So this isn't just a beautiful beast to look at and drive, it's practical too. Well, as practical as a 7.2 litre, 500 horsepower monster can ever be, obviously. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's noise, it's power, it's attitude, and I absolutely love it. For more overviews on classic cars, don't forget to like and subscribe.